Meaning of espousal.
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 Espousal. Espousal refers to the act of accepting or adopting a belief, cause, or way of life. It can also refer to the act of marrying someone or supporting a particular person or idea. The result of espousal can vary depending on the context in which it is used. In the case of accepting a belief or cause, the result may be a commitment to a particular ideology or set of values. When referring to marriage, the result is a legal union between two people. Supporting a particular person or idea can result in increased visibility and legitimacy for that person or idea. Overall, espousal can have both personal and societal consequences, depending on the situation.